Students, in the last class, I taught you how to write a report, how many types of reports are there. I also showed you the format of a report, how you have to draw a box, and within that box, you have to write the report. And you have to be very particular about the format because without that format, without proper format, you won't be able to score good marks in your final examination of English score class 12. Students, I am Prabhat Chaurasia, Marwadi College, Ranchi, Intermediate Section. I'm going to teach you the second report. And the question will be like this. Please pay attention to the question because you have to prepare, you have to write it accordingly. The question is, you are Sarita or Vivek. Write a report on the blood donation camp organized by your college yesterday. The report is to be published in your college magazine. I told you that there are three types of reports. One to be published in newspaper, the second one to be published in college magazine or journal, and the third type of report to be submitted to the higher authorities of an organization. So this is the second form, that is, this report will be published in college magazine. So first of all, you have to draw a rectangular box in your copy. After that, you have to put the title. The title will be like this: Blood Donation Camp at Marwadi College, Ranchi. Date you have to put October 2nd, 2020. A report by Vivek. The third line, a report by Vivek. And from where I have got this name? From the question. When I read the question, you might have noticed that the question began with the sentence, you are Sarita or Vivek. That's why you have to write your name as Vivek and not what is your real name. Please pay attention to this. Then you have to write the first paragraph of successful blood donation camp was organized at Marwadi College, Ranchi on October 2nd, 2020. This camp was organized under the aegis of Red Cross Society, Ranchi. Articles published in the newspaper that Ranchi has very few blood banks, and those which are there, they have very less amount of blood. So a number of people, especially those suffering from deadly disease, they may lose their lives if they are not given blood in time. That's why, keeping this in mind, Marwadi College Ranchi organized this blood donation camp on the eve of Gandhi Jayanti, that is 2nd of October 2020. This is the first paragraph, students. The second paragraph will be like this. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. U.C. Mehta, the principal, Marwadi College Ranchi, said that blood donation is the kindest deed, it's the noblest deed, because blood donation may save a number of lives, and it's a generous act to donate blood. A number of teaching and non-teaching staffs donated their blood. In the auditorium, a group of 3 doctors and 5 nurses have come and made all the special arrangements for taking the blood at 9 a.m. yesterday morning. The blood donation started at 10 p.m. sharp, 10 in the morning sharp, 10 a.m. sharp, and about 20 students, staff members of the college, they donated their blood, they participated in this noble cause. It was done with great zeal and enthusiasm. The donators were awarded with a certificate so that it can be a source of information, a source of inspiration for others too, who were not understanding the importance of blood donation. The principal said that 1 unit of blood may save 3 lives. Blood donation is a very noble cause, so everyone should come forward and donate his blood. The blood donation camp was a great success because total 20 units of blood was collected by the group of 3 doctors and 5 nurses. And you have to end your report at this point of time. So you have seen that how you have divided the report into 3 parts. The first part will contains the introduction, the place, the time, and all types of arrangements which will contain in the main topic in the question. The second topic will give the description how the arrangements were done by the doctors and nurses, how the teaching staffs and non-teaching staffs they donated their blood, and they show great zeal and enthusiasm in this right direction. And again, you have to write that they were given the certificates, fruits, milk, etc. And towards the end of this report, the last paragraph, you have to write that blood donation is a very noble cause. It's a very generous act. A unit of blood may save 3 lives. So everyone should come forward in this direction and donate their blood so that numerous lives may be saved. The principal, Dr. UC Mehta, encouraged the donators. He said that this is a very auspicious event, a very auspicious campaign in collaboration with the Blood Red Cross Society that we have organized this program. And again, the next year we will organize this and will donate our blood because blood donation is the best cause, it's the noble cause. Students, this is the second report so far I have discussed with you. Now please, one thing to be kept in mind, what I am going to discuss with you, that you need to practice report writing process in your copy. Try to write one report 5 times, 6 times so that you may not make spelling mistakes. You may not get hesitated during the examination because if you will practice, it will make you perfect. So what you have to do, you have to listen to this video many a times so that you may get the right words, you may get the format, and then you have to prepare the report accordingly. Please keep this in one mind that you have to write the report within a rectangular box. Within that box, you have to give the title of the report which you may get from the question. Second thing is that you have to write the name of the place where the accident or the incident took place. After that, you have to put the date, which is a must. Then you have to write your report into 3 paragraphs. The first, introductory, the second paragraph, the larger one, and again the concluding paragraph, which is the last paragraph. Please practice this, and I'm there for you. I'll discuss the third report in the next class. Thank you very much. That's all for the class.